Continuous integration is supposed to help developer shift faster, but when the build fails, development grinds to a halt. Debugging a CI usually takes valuable time from developers, but what if we could offload that work to AI? In this video, we are going to set up Semaphore with GitHub's Copilot Agents to fix tests when they fail and create PRs automatically. The idea is very straightforward. You run your pipeline as usual, but this time it fails. Semaphore opens a GitHub issue and calls Copilot to fix it. GitHub spins up a Copilot agent and tries to fix the issue. When it finds a fix, it creates a pull request that you can review. The PR triggers a new CI where you can validate the fixes, and if the build is green and is running, you can merge the changes. In this scenario, every time a test fails, a new issue is opened on GitHub and a new agent is assigned to that issue to fix it. So how do we set up this mechanism? For this integration, we are going to need three things: a GitHub personal access token with read and write access to the repo and read access to the organization. This allows you to access and create issues on GitHub from the Semaphore CI machine. And then we also need Copilot agents in your organization. This comes with the Pro and the Pro Plus paid plans. And the third thing, it's not obligatory, but it's a good idea to run test results. You can do that by following this card that explains how to set up test results and test reports. This is a feature that collects all the tests in a standardized format, JUnit, and it makes the job of GitHub Copilot easier. So let's see how to set up the integration step by step. First, we're going to create a secret on Semaphore called G8 token. It contains our personal access token for GitHub. Then we open our project on Semaphore and disable running the workflows on drafts pull request. This is because GitHub Copilot will create a draft pull request and will create branches as it is working, and we don't want Semaphore to run these workflows while Copilot is doing its work. Then we are going to need some template, some prompt template for our agent, and we're going to create a file that contains some initial instructions to fix the tests in our pipeline. We're going to create this prompt template file and push it into our repository. Then we're going to go block by block in our pipelines and see what blocks can fail, which blocks have tests that can fail or builds that can fail, and we're going to add a few commands to each of these blocks. We're going to enable the GitHub Access Token secret and add these commands. These commands are to be added on the epilogue when the job has failed. These commands basically creates a new prompt with our template and the error that we have collected from the test reports. It will create an issue on GitHub with all the details that the Copilot needs to solve the problem. And we're going to add these commands on every block that might fail and we want Copilot to fix. So let's see it working when we have a job that is failing. We're going to see the agent running on three different places on GitHub. First, if we go to Copilot tasks, we can see the agent working. We can also see the messages on the issue. Copilot is going to add comments and change the title of the issue and add new PRs as it is working. And the final place we can see Copilot in action is on the pull request. It's going to create a pull request with the title WIP, work in progress. So while Copilot is working, we are going to see this pull request that is not finished, is being worked on by Copilot. Once the task is done, it's going to remove the WIP from the title, and the pull request is ready to be reviewed. And if it's working, you can merge it into the main trunk. And that's it. With this system, you have the solution even before you may have noticed a problem in your pipeline. These self-healing pipelines are becoming more and more common in developer workflows. It helps developers be more productive. They spend less time fixing and tending to the CI, and you let the AI handle all the boring work, and you can focus on doing interesting stuff. Removes the busy work of managing and creating issues, and it offloads that work to Copilot. If you want to use a different AI agent, we have another video where we explain how to run Codex or Cloud Code inside the CI. to self-heal failures in the build. So be sure to check out the description. And that's all for today. Let me know if it worked for you, if you have any problems, or if you have any suggestions for following videos. We are focusing more and more on doing more AI-driven developments, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy building.